I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Today I'm going to disassemble this Montgomery Ward's hand grinder just to show you what the insides look like. The teeth and the bowl gear are in fine shape. This little hand-operated machine was designed to be oiled, and it was made to leak the oil out. And that's why you see most hand grinders look pretty abysmal. They're quite dirty. They've got a lot of oil leaked out of them, and they're kind of a mess. I've upgraded this on the advice of my good friend Louis McNeely by using Alco Super Lube 00 grease. Made by the American Lubricating Company in Memphis, Tennessee. This is a 9-ounce tube. It cost me $5. I expect this tube will outlast me and probably my son, because it only takes just a little bit. The nice thing about it is it doesn't migrate out of the casting. Now this is a machine surface. It's not oil tight. It was never designed to capture the oil and hold it. It was only designed to just hold the framework together. But with the grease, it should eliminate most of the leakage, because the grease stays on the gear. It doesn't go into the bottom, it doesn't puddle up, it just stays where you put it. When this was assembled by whoever did it last, they put the handle on backwards. With a handle situated like this, you're real close to all the working apparatus. With the handle put around in this direction, has much better clearance and keeps you from whacking your knuckles. Now I'm cleaning this with alcohol and water because that's going to do the least amount of damage. I want to get the grease and oil off just because it's a mess. But I don't want to remove the label, which a little bit of it still remains. And I don't want to take off any of the paint or remove the patina. Now just from the looks of it and the way the dirt was on the outside of it, this wasn't a shelf queen. This was a working tool, which is why I am so impressed with the condition. It's not beat up, it's not broken, and it has something that you very seldom see. It has the tool rest. Now, there's a little wear on it, a couple of nicks in it where the tool rest ran up against the wheel, but it's in really good condition. It's complete with the original carriage bolt, tool rest, washer, and wing nut. Usually these get dropped. The thing that happens to them is somebody takes it off the bench, throws it in the corner, gets beat up, broken. The first thing that goes is that cast iron tool rest. Just like on this one, snapped right off. So the guy who used this, and I'm sure it was a guy who actually used it, took care of it. Had it mounted to his bench, used it, and more than likely completely wore out the wheel. And that's why when I got it, it didn't have a wheel on it. So I carefully mounted a wheel on it with a proper sized arbor. Trued and balanced so that it runs well. And unlike most of them that you see on eBay or other unnamed sites, this one actually works. This is the Keystone tool grinder that I use. This is my favorite. Works really well. But it doesn't work as well as this one. I'm in that enviable position of having more than I need. I have these two bench grinders plus two on the back of the bench and another one here, so there's 5 altogether hand grinders. And then when you start counting electric grinders and other tools that I have for doing the same job, it gets to the point I don't need all of them. This one has to go. So my loss is your gain. You're more than welcome to bid on it on eBay. My handle is Barnsmith on eBay. And it'll be going up here in the next few days, and I'll let you know. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.